In this video, you'll learn how to effectively use Perplexity AI for your research needs. This guide will walk you through the steps to start a research project, select the appropriate model for your inquiries, utilize sources for verification, and organize your findings efficiently. To begin your research, locate the left sidebar of the Perplexity AI interface. Here, you will find the search option prominently displayed. Click on search to open the search functionality. Once the search box appears, type in your specific research question. After entering your question, press the enter key to initiate the search process. Once the search results are displayed, you will need to select a model to get the most accurate and relevant answers. Find the modal option located directly beneath the search box. Click on model to reveal a list of available models. Choose the one that best fits your research requirements. After selecting a model, you can ask your question again to receive deeper and more nuanced answers. After receiving an answer, it is important to review the information provided. Take the time to read through the response carefully. Alongside the answer, you will notice sources or citations that support the information. These sources are essential for verifying the credibility of the content. Click on the sources to open them in a new tab or window for further examination. To keep your research organized, we'll want to create new threads for different topics. Look for the new thread button within the Perplexity AI interface. Click on this button to start a new topic related to your research. This allows you to maintain clarity and focus on various aspects of your research project. Additionally, consider using spaces to group related research topics together, which can further enhance your organization. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.